Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg, and today I'm going to show you the 290 center console from Sailfish. Here we are at the bow of the 290 center console Sailfish. You have a pop-up bow light, a windlass, pop-up bow cleats, rod holders, cushions for seats on the bow, table mount, lights, storage. You can use those for fish boxes, matching port and starboard, backrest, over here that same backrest spins. You can use it as a lean post for fishing. You have your recessed grab rail, in-floor storage with a 5-gallon bucket holder, Yeti Cooler, this boat has the acrylic enclosure. Here we are at the helm of the 290 center console from Sailfish. You have a power knob, tilt wheel, a Garmin, gauges, remote spotlight, storage, fusion stereo, Garmin VHF, you have your Mercury digital throttles, controls for your windlass. This is for the power steering. Here we are at the helm station of the 290 center console. We have a sink, a live well, rocket launcher that holds 4 rods, 6 up top, PFD storage overhead, electronics box overhead, spreader lights, speakers, lights that turn red and blue for night vision. We have a fold down transom seat, it's very easy. There it is down. Back in the splash well, we have a saltwater wash down. Put a coil hose onto it with a sprayer right into here. Dedicated storage for your knives and your pliers. At the transom, we have a freshwater shower. When you're getting in and out of the boat, you can rinse yourself off. This boat is equipped with the optional 300 Mercury Verados, painted white. This boat also has underwater lights. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. This has been the 290 center console from Sailfish. Please contact me regarding this or any boat offered by MarineMax.